Hello everyone. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Okay, in my previous video I have explained maths concept, fractions I have explained. In fractions I have explained about like fractions. In this class I am going to explain unlike fractions. Okay. The fraction numbers, the definition of unlike fractions is the fractional numbers that have the different denominators are called unlike fractions. 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 2 by 7, 5 by 9. These denominators are different. So this is called unlike fractions. Okay. If denominators are same, then we will call as like fractions. If denominators are different, then we will call these fractions as unlike fractions. Okay, now we are going to compare the unlike fractions. Which number is bigger? 2 by 3 fraction and 3 by 5. 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Both of these we will check which number is bigger and which one is smaller. Okay. If denominators are same means we can compare it easily. Only we will check numerators and we can say easily. But these denominators are different. Here 3 and here 5 is there. So first we need to convert the denominators into, now first we need to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by multiplying here with 5 and here with 3. If we multiply 3 with 5 means 15, 5 with 3 means 15. Okay, simply take this value and multiply both numerator and denominator. Take this value 3 and multiply with both denominator and numerator and denominator. See, I have written this 2 into, I am multiplying 5 with numerator and 5 with the denominator. So 2 into 5 and 3 into 5. Okay. Here I am taking this value 3 and multiplying with 3. 3 into 3 and 5 into 3. So 10 into 10, 5 into 2 which is equal to 10. 3 into 5 which is equal to 15. 3 into 3 is 9 and 5 into 3 is 15. So I have changed the unlike fractions into like fractions. 2 by 3, 3 by 5 are like fractions, unlike fractions. So I am changing these unlike fractions into like fractions. 10 by 15 and 9 by 15. So both the denominators are same. So we can compare it easily. 10 is bigger than 9. So 10 by 15 is greater than 9 by 15. This number is bigger than this. So here we can say 2 by 3 is bigger than 3 by 5. Okay. Now I will explain one more example. One more example also I will give you, which is bigger here. 7 by 9 and 3 by 7 by 9 and 3 by 11. 7 by 9, 3 by 11 both are unlike fractions. Now I am going to change these unlike fractions to like fractions by multiplying this fraction with 11 and this fraction with 9. Okay, here 9 is there. So I am multiplying both the numerator and denominator with 9. Here 11 is there. Now I will multiply both numerator and denominator with 11. Okay, 7 by 9. 7 into 11 divided by 9 into 11. 3 into 9 divided by 11 into 9. 7 into 11 is equal to 77. 9 into 11 equal to 99. 3 into 9 equal to 27. 11 into 9 equal to 99. So I am dividing both the numbers with, I am converting these fractions into standard form by dividing 11. 77 divided by 11 and 99 divided by 11, which is equal to 7 by 9. 11 sevens are 77, 11 nines are 99. 7 by 9. I am converting these fraction into standard form. 27 divided by 9 and 99 divided by 9. 27 divided by 9 is nothing but 3 nines are 27. So I am writing here 3 and 99 divided by 9 means 11. 3 by 11. Okay. Now we can say easily this fraction is 77. 77 divided by 99 and 27 divided by 99. I have changed these unlike fractions into like fractions. So we can say that 77 divided by 99 is bigger. Okay, here 7 by 9 is bigger. Okay, 27, 77 is more, 27 is less. So we can say 77 by 99 is bigger fraction. 7 by 9 is bigger fraction. Okay. Now I am going to explain about addition concept. Addition 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. Okay, these both are unlike fractions. Now I am going to change these unlike fractions into like fractions. By multiplying first 1 by 3 fraction into 5, numerator and denominator both the values we need to multiply with 5. Here 5 is there, that's why I'm going to multiply here with 5. Here 3 is there, that's why I'm going to multiply this fraction with 3. Okay, so 1 into 5 divided by 3 into 15 plus 1 into 3 divided by 5 into 3. 5 divided by 15 and 3 divided by 15. So I have changed these unlike fractions into like fractions so that I can do addition simply. Okay, I am writing 15 here. I am adding this 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 by 15. So addition of this 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 is 8 by 15. Okay, hope it's clear. Now we are moving to subtraction. So for subtraction also same strategy. We are changing the unlike fractions into like fractions. After that we can do the subtraction easily. Okay, 2 by 7 minus 1 by 9. 2 and 2. I'm multiplying numerator and denominator with 9. And multiplying this 1 by 9 numerator and denominator with 7. Okay, 2 into 9 divided by 7 into 9. 1 into 7 divided by 9 into 7. 9 2s are 18. 9 7s are 63. 7 1s are 7. 9 7s are 63. I have changed the unlike fractions into like fractions because here both denominators are same, so we can write easily. We can do the subtraction easily. Write 63 in the denominator and 18 minus 7, which is equal to 11. So 11 by 63. Answer of this subtractions is 2 by 7 minus 1 by 9 is 11 by 63. Okay. Now I am going to explain one more example also. 3 by 10 minus 2 by 9. I am multiplying both the fractions, both the numerator and denominator with 9 here. 3 into 9, 10 into 9. For this fraction I am multiplying with 10. 2 into 10, 9 into 10. 2 into 10, 9 into 10. Here 9 3s are 27, 9 10s are 90. 2 10s are 20, 9 10s are 90. So I have changed these unlike fractions into like fractions. Now I am going to do subtraction here. I have taken 90 in the denominator and 27 minus 20, which is equal to 7 by 90. Okay, hope it's clear. I have explained about unlike fractions comparisons, and unlike fractions addition, subtraction and comparison, and definition also I have explained. Till now I have explained 6th class fractions class. I have completed the class. In my coming videos I will explain the problems with solutions. Okay. If anyone want to see my videos, then please do check in my description box. All the fractions videos will be there, and also you can check in my playlist. There fractions folder is there. There you can check all the lessons. Okay. Hope it's clear to everyone. Thank you. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Maths and Statistics Tutor channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye.